Hi guys, Josh here, I hope you're well. We're just going to quickly run through some of the opportunities that are available provided by HMRC when it comes to paying your tax. So the first one is we've got some deferrals available. We've got four main taxes, so you've got your corporation tax, VAT, pay as you earn and your income tax. There are some deferrals available on these. The first ones are the automatic deferrals. So for VAT, there will be no VAT payments expected by HMRC until after June 30th, 2020. So for any payments that are otherwise due, that's fine, hold on to that cash. And we've also got income tax. So usually on the 31st of July, you would make your second payment on account. However, this has been deferred completely up until the 31st of January 2021. So for the income tax deferral, that's completely interest-free. For the VAT payment, they've not actually announced whether that's going to be interest-free or not, but watch this space because as soon as we know, I will post that. Other deferrals that are available, so you've got your corporation tax. You can speak to HMRC, get up to 3 months deferral on this. They will still be charged interest at 3.25%, and again the same goes for your pay as you earn taxes. It's up to 3 months, but they are still charging interest at quite a modest rate. How to apply? Call the number 0800 0159 559. They are open Monday to Friday 8 till 8 and Saturday 8 till 4. I would set aside probably up to an hour to get through to somebody and speak to an officer to get your case sorted out. We got through the other day in about 20 minutes, but times do vary depending on how busy they are. Before you call them, have this information ready. So have your UTR number, your national insurance number and your date of birth if you're calling about personal taxes. If you're calling about business tax, have the relevant number. So if it's corporation tax, your corporation tax UTR, your VAT number or your POA reference. And also have the business name and address, and most importantly have a pen and paper so you can jot down some key details. When you're on the phone to the officer, just explain to them exactly what's happening in your business. Be completely open and honest, so do tell them the truth. Just explain to them about how if you're a service accommodation operator, a lot of your trade comes from the summer holidays if you're near the seaside, and unfortunately that's just been wiped out due to the corona outbreak. Or if you run a gym and you've been forced to close, the same with a cafe, just explain to them that the impact the corona crisis has had and how this has impacted your ability to pay. Do say when you will be able to pay, so say great, okay, we are making the necessary cutbacks, we have laid off some staff, we are cutting costs, and as soon as trade picks up in 2-3 months time, we will be in a position to pay you then. Before you get off the phone with the officer, do make sure you do name time and date of the call. Also get the HMRC officer's name and importantly get the end date of the deferral down. So once you've got a deferral in place for up to 3 months, that's great. When this 3 months period elapses, you've got two options. Either pay the tax that's due or request a time to pay arrangement. A time to pay arrangement is an agreement with HMRC where you make instalment payments over an agreed time frame to repay any tax that's owed. So typically it's 3 to 6 months, however they can be a maximum of 12 months in very, very exceptional circumstances. It's highly dependent on your circumstances. So if your business is viable, you must be able to show this to HMRC because with time to pay arrangements, they do want to see that they are going to get that money. It's the same number as before if your business has been impacted by the coronavirus and you're requesting a time to pay arrangement because of this. One thing to note though is all time to pay arrangements, you're going to get interest again at that 3.25%. So if you've got any questions, contact JSM Partners on 01733 595 9541 and we'll be happy to help. Otherwise, if you want some free assistance, get into the Property Tax Secrets Facebook group. We're always posting all the information we have in there, always answering questions. That's a great resource that's available. Otherwise, thanks for watching.